In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move logos on Squarespace. If you want to quickly reposition your logo on the page, Squarespace makes this process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a smooth and easy way, so you can adjust the placement of your logo without overcomplicating anything. To begin, open your Squarespace page and make sure you're in the editing view where your site elements can be adjusted. Once you can see the logo on the page, move your cursor directly over it. The key here is to select the logo itself, so take a moment to make sure you're clicking on the correct element. Next, click and hold the logo. As you keep holding it, simply drag it to the position where you want it to appear on the page. This is a very direct, visual way to adjust the layout, which makes it easy to see how the logo will look in its new location before you let go. While you're moving it, try to pay attention to the surrounding spacing and alignment. You want the logo to feel balanced with the rest of the content on the page. For example, make sure it doesn't sit too close to other elements or look uneven compared to the overall design. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished the page looks. Once the logo is in the spot you want, release your mouse or trackpad to place it there. That's really all it takes. If it doesn't look quite right the first time, you can click and hold it again and continue adjusting until the placement feels right. A helpful tip is to take a quick look at the page as a whole after moving the logo. Sometimes a position looks good while you're dragging, but once it's set, you may notice it needs a slight correction. Don't hesitate to fine-tune it until it matches the style and structure of your website. This kind of simple repositioning can be useful if you're updating your branding, improving page balance, or just trying to create a cleaner visual layout. The main thing to remember is that moving the logo is done by clicking, holding, and dragging it to the new location on the page. And that's how to move logos on Squarespace. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and intuitive.